So you may be somebody that think it's impossible to make $2,500 a week while you're working a 9-to-5 job, but you have to understand that something like that is not impossible. The only thing you got to have in place really is systems, and that's what a lot of people really get confused about, because if you got systems in place, understand that anything is possible. So I was just doing some thinking, and I was just asking myself, if I wanted to make $2,500 a week, and if I worked a 9-to-5 job, what would I do if I only had one extra hour a day in order to make this a reality? So I came up with this step-by-step plan, and this is something you may want to write down because it can very well change your life. So the very first thing I would do is 2026, I would think about one thing, and that's AI. And AI, because AI is going to allow you to what I like to call time travel versus 4 and 5 years ago when you had to do everything manually. If you don't have to do everything manually, understand that it's going to be way easier than it was for somebody like myself when I first started out and had to put all the pieces together and really do a lot of work. These days you can do in a few clicks with AI. So AI would be what I would be focused on. And the one thing that I would focus on building is an AI SaaS. SaaS stands for software as a service. If you build a software that makes you, let's say that you're charging people, let's say $39 a month, all you would need is a couple hundred paying users on a very useful or very powerful tool, I'd say, in order to really set yourself free. And this is how you can do that by working only 1 hour a day. If you want to work 1 hour a day, let's say for the first week, what you'll do is you'll use a vibe coding tool. These vibe coding tools like Lovable and Base 44. Now, and I personally use both of them, but Base 44 is probably the simplest one that you can use in order to start coding software. And you can hit the link in the description to tap into Base 44. But Base 44 is going to allow you to build anything you can think of. So it doesn't matter if it's an app where people sell PDF documents, or it doesn't matter if you create a clone of Dropbox. Base 44 is a vibe coding tool that's going to allow you to really build anything you can think of. And 1 hour a day is all you need in order to do this, because if I go right now to Base 44 and I just prompt it and I say, build me a clone of Dropbox, I want to charge $25 a month for unlimited access. Base 44 is going to go ahead and start coding that tool for me. And what I would do every single day, so if I got that 1 hour every single day to spare, I'm just going to make the tool better and better and better. And that's week one. So after I make it really good week one, what I'm going to personally do week two is I'm going to focus on content. And I'm going to choose a platform. The platform I would personally choose. Now, YouTube is as good as it gets, but that takes a lot of work recording videos. The next best thing is Instagram. I would build an Instagram account around the app that I end up building. Now, how do you create content and a lot of it very fast? I've talked about it multiple times. I'm sure you've watched some of the videos. If you haven't, I've talked about Content Daily. Content Daily is the content generating tool that's going to allow you to generate 30 days worth of high quality content in a matter of 3 minutes. Not even that. You can actually do it in 1 minute. So imagine building 30 days worth of content in just 3 clicks in about a minute. That's what contentdaily.com is going to allow you to do. It's going to allow you to build all your content no matter your niche topic. So what I'm going to personally do is, with this strategy, is every single day for that 1 hour a day, I'm just going to generate more and more content until I got a couple years worth of content already planned out on a scheduling tool. So if I build a SaaS app, if I use Content Daily for my content, week 3, what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on paid ads, and I'm going to choose 3 of my best pieces of content, or let's say 3 of my favorite pieces of content that Content Daily generated for me, because I didn't have to create the content manually. It was automatically generated with Content Daily's AI system. So I'm going to pick 2 or 3 posts that I really like and I really think will hit hard, and I'm going to run $5 a day via paid ads. So what am I going to do for week 3? I'm going to use my extra hour every day, 1 hour, just really making my ads better and better. And I'm going to keep testing, and I'm going to keep testing. So even if you work a 9-to-5 job and you only got 1 hour a day to spare, understand that if you really zone in and lock in that 1 hour every single day, like there's no ceiling to the amount of money that you can make. You can make $2,500 a week, or some people make it in a single day if you put the right systems in place. So I just wanted to make a video to let you know that even if you work a 9-to-5 job and you only got a couple hours a day to spare, 1 hour a day is all you need in order to really touch the income that you've always dreamed of. A lot of people don't talk about really putting steady systems in place and really spending 1 week at a time in order to get better and better with something. They're always telling you to do everything at once, but if you just zone in and lock in 1 week at a time on different elements in different areas of a system, it's going to all come together and you're going to be able to print money. So I really wanted to create this video to let you know that you can make this a reality. You don't have to be somebody to think, I work a 9 to 5, how can I ever be successful? How can I ever make real money? Well, you actually can. You just got to zone in and you really got to take that 1 hour a day seriously. So if you watch a video like this and you don't give it a shot, like, you probably don't want to be an entrepreneur that make this kind of money, because once you get to that $250 a week level, it's not too much more to get to that $2,500 a week level. A lot of people think that it is, but it's not. You're just doing more the same thing over and over and over, and you making the system stronger and stronger. So what I challenge you to do is to go ahead and put this system in action. Go ahead and take action with it. Go ahead and get the wheels turning with it. And I can almost guarantee you that you won't regret it.